So hello guys, hope you all are doing good. So sorry for the delay, I got caught somewhere else. So now let's focus on the weekly outlook. So the last weekly outlook 2 weeks back, we planned that we have the weekly monthly order block here, and we reacted from the monthly order block. Just now we have fully rebalanced this candle till here. So keeping in mind that this inversion, we can expect some continuation from here. So the drawn liquidity would be April month high, as well as the last year October month high, and this will be the favorable gaps we'll be targeting in coming months. But the weekly time frame and the daily time frame has to confirm the idea. Let's come back to the weekly time frame. In weekly time frame, we have a order block here, okay, and we have tapped the order block. We failed to close above this candle high. We targeted, we came back to the order block. So what we can expect from here, either we can expect some deep retracement and take out this previous weekly low, and then we can move higher. But the likelihood of happening this is very low. So what I let's go to the daily time frame, because in weekly we only have this PD array and we have this inversion, right? So let's go to the daily time frame to see. Okay, so in daily we have the daily favorable gap, right? And we also fails to close below this this low. So but we can expect either we can have inside candle, right? Because this is a huge candle. We can have inside candles for Monday, and we take out Monday low, and we will target this favorable gap first. This will be the first target. We're not going to target all the high at once, because that's not realistic to targeting the high at once. So yeah, so this will be the idea. Idea will be that this will be we can expect some monthly, we can expect some inside candles, and taking out the either low of this candle or the Monday low, we can expect higher, right? Now let's see what we have in 3-day or 2-day time frame. Yes, in 3-day we have formed the order block. So we in the price, if this price has to move higher, this has to fail, okay. And in 2-day, yeah, nothing else we have. So we can expect higher prices, but the 4-hour has to confirm the idea, and 4-hour will confirm the idea when we close above this candle high. If you close above this candle high, then we can expect price to move higher, because this will becomes my order block. Price took out this low, so this will become my order block, and we can expect price to move higher. So this is the bias for DXY, but the bias is bullish, but this bias will be invalidated only when this favorable gap got invalidated. If it get invalidated, then the bias will be changed. I will think about changing my bias. Until then, the bias will remain bullish. Maybe we can see some chop, then taking out this low and again moving higher. Let's see, but we will have to wait for the confirmation, and then only we can proceed. Today is Monday, so don't expect a lot, and also we don't have any news today. So let's go to the Euro USD, and yeah, so in Euro USD, we start from the monthly time frame. In monthly time frame, we have closed below this monthly favorable gap, so it should act as an inversion, and we also fully rebalanced this candle, right? So we have fully rebalanced this candle. So now if the price has to move lower, then this is the right time to do so. And we don't have any PD array. Such PD array, yeah, we have the order block here because price is close below this low. So this order block has to push the price lower, and targeting the ultimate target would be, in coming months will be this favorable gap. Yeah, so I'll be expecting price to come to this monthly favorable gap in coming months, and this, if price closes below this candle low the next month, then we can easily target this monthly favorable gap. Let's come back to the weekly time frame. In weekly time frame, we have tapped the order block, and yeah, so we have tapped this order block. So now, and we also yeah, we have closed above this high, but it's okay. but this is the weekly order block. This has to push the price lower. Okay. Let's go to the daily time frame to see what we have. Yeah, in daily time frame, what we saw that we have the fair value gap here. Price consolidated just below the fair value gap, so we can expect a easy turtle soup. Yeah, and when price taking out 20 days, 40 days, 60 days highs and lows, we can expect turtle soup, right? Below 20, 40, 60 days highs and lows. So here we have the turtle soup. We have tapped this order block, not this order block. If you go to the 4-hour time frame, we have the beautiful breaker block. Yeah, so the idea will be confirm when price closes below this candle. Okay, if this candle price closes below this candle, then we can expect price to tank lower. It can come lower. Else, if price is not doing so, what it is, there is one more possibility that price will go and take out this high, right? Once again it will take out this high and then will close below this low. Now this can be the one more idea, but let's see. The only the only thing I will be waiting for is the price to close below this candle low, and if it is close below this candle low, then I will target these lows, all these lows, and this will becomes my range, right? This will become my range, and the easy peasy target will be my mid range, right? This will be yeah, so I'll be targeting this mid range as well. Let's go to 4-hour time frame to see. Yeah, this is the mid range, so I'll be targeting this mid range. Okay, so yeah, so the idea will be the same, price to take out, either to take out this high to move lower, and to take out this low to move lower, right? Now let's come back to the GBP USD. GBP USD also looks clean to me. We already formed the order block, so this should be the more aggressive. Yeah, the ideal target will be this fair value gap. So the idea will be gap to gap model, as I already shared on Twitter, that price should target from this higher time frame gap to this higher time frame gap. So that will be the idea, this daily fair value gap to this daily fair value gap. Yeah, so in week, let's go start from the monthly. In monthly, we have failed to close below this fair value gap. It's okay, but we already formed this order block. So this order block will be my bearish order block. So this will be helping us to move lower. In weekly, we have the fair value gap, right? In weekly we have the in weekly we have the fair value gap, as well as we have the order block, right? So in daily we have the fair value gap. Also we are taking out 20-40 days highs, so it will be the this candle will be the right candidate for the turtle soup. So we have already done the turtle soup. Look, if you want to wait for the daily time frame confirmation, then price should close below this bearish candle, and yeah, to work out this can work as a mitigation block. Else, we already closed below 4-hour candle, right? This becomes my order block. So now the time has come for price to move lower, and to target, the ideal target will be this fair value gap. So any move higher in this leg will be considered as a turtle soup, and that will be ideal for selling, yeah, till this low, right? This is the ideal, this is the daily fair value gap we have. So yeah, so this looks extremely bearish. Let's see what do we have, but we have tapped this order block as well. So yeah, that's the right time. Even price can go deep, but still the idea will remain valid. Let's go to USD CAD. USD CAD also looks good. If you go to the daily time, monthly time frame, in monthly time frame we have tapped the order block. In monthly time frame we have tapped this monthly fair value gap, right? So we have tapped this monthly fair value gap, and now we can expect price to, we have tapped this monthly order block. So now we can expect price to move higher, right? From this monthly order block. These highs will be drawn liquidity. This is 2022 high, this is also 2023 high. So there are 2 years high we have left. These are the extremely high probability drawn liquidity for us. 2 years highs and lows. Let's go to the weekly time frame. In weekly time frame we also have this fair value gap, and the one most important thing is that we have failed to close below this low. So we have fails to close below this low, so we can target these highs as well, these highs and these highs. Let's go to the daily time frame. In daily time frame, yeah, we also have this candle as my range. Okay, this candle will be my range, and we have tapped this monthly order block. This is the monthly order block. So let me draw this monthly order block. Yeah, so this is my monthly order block. Let's go to daily time frame. So in daily time frame, we have this monthly price has tapped this monthly order block. We have formed, look, this is small tiny bearish favorable gap we have, right? This is small tiny, so maybe price can react from this bearish favorable gap, and then after the reaction, this next day on Tuesday we can move higher, right? This will be the idea. In 4 hour, what we saw that we have already formed this order block, so this order block will be responsible for moving the price higher, right? So yeah, so basically we will be using the PDRS to confirm our ideas and or invalidate our ideas. That's pretty simple. Don't try to complicate so many things, right? Now let's come back to the next pair we have in BTC. So in BTC, it's pretty simple for me. Like that's my go-to model, right? We have fails to close below this. We have fails to close inside this favorable gap. We also have fails to close below this candle low. So the ultimate target will be this candle high. And let's go to the daily time frame. In daily time frame, we have the order block. That's my high priority order block. So this order block will be responsible for moving the price higher. Either you can participate in the trade inside the favorable gap, or we can wait for price to tap this order block and we can target this high. So this high will be my the best round liquidity we have, and the ultimate target would be these highs, but this high will be my target. That's my long-term target, but this in short term I will be targeting this highs, that is $67,272, right? Yeah, so that's the idea in my mind in BTC USDT. Let's go to gold. In gold, nothing looks clear to me, so I'll be avoiding this pair, right? It's already expanded a lot, so I don't expect anything else from this pair, so I'm avoiding this. And yeah, basically these all are the pairs I'll be trading, so that's all. And if you have stick to this, so I can now go to the Nifty. Okay, so that's a Indian index to see what we have, right? Yeah, so in Nifty, let's try to understand. Yeah, so in Nifty we have taking out this side, yeah. So we already formed this order block, right? So we can expect price to go lower. Look, we have this 3 high, right? 3 high, price taking out the high but not expanding higher, price taking out this high but not expanding higher. So that's not the good sign, that's not the bullishness sign for us, right? So that's why you can expect some retracement in Nifty, right? In daily time frame. Let's use this indicator called no gap candles, so it will help. Yeah, now let me change the color just a sec. Just a sec, I'll be changing all these colors, and yeah, now it's looking all right. So yeah, so there are so many gaps we have. You can't avoid those gaps, but yeah, it's consolidating. Basically we are consolidating in weekly time frame. And daily we have closed below this candle low, so this order block will be responsible for moving the price lower. Or let's go to 4-hour time frame. 4-hour time frame, we have this fair value gap, so ideally we can expect price to retrace 50% of this candle. So we can expect retracement till the 50% of this candle, till here, and now after that we can anticipate price to move lower, right? So the bias is bearish so far, but let's see then, but we can expect retracement from here. Let's go to lower time frame. 1 hour we have yeah, 1 hour I can't find any PDR, the high probability PDR to trade. Yeah, so this order block, so basically this will be my trade idea. targeting from this order block to this main threshold of this candle at this range. Okay, that's my Nifty bias. Bullishness, then bearishness, short term bullishness and long term bearishness for few weeks maybe. Yeah, that's all for today, and stay tuned. I'll be also uploading the last week trade ideas under execution. So thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.